Hi everyone, this is the 58th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice little problem from the concept of geometric sequence. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, the first and second terms of a geometric sequence are A and AB. So let's make a note of that. The first two terms of a geometric sequence are A and AB in that order, right? So we have A as the first term and the second term is A times B. That is AB, that's A times B, right? A and B, they are two different numbers and it's a product of A and B, so that is AB. Now what is the 1000th term of this sequence? So we have to find out what is the 1000th term of this sequence, right? So for this geometric sequence, what is the first term? Well, obviously the first term is A. So if you are used to write in this notation, sometimes you could say like, the first term as T sub 1, that is equal to A, or sometimes, people may write it as A sub 1, that is the first term, and in this case the first term is actually A. And what is the second term? Well, T sub 2 is actually A times B, or if you want to denote it as A sub 2, that is also A times B. So what is the common ratio? Well, in this case, if we use the lowercase r as the common ratio is obviously the second term divided by the first term. So that is A times B over A, that is equal to B. So B is the common ratio. So now we have the common ratio. We already know the first term. So this is our common ratio right here. And this is our first term right here. So now that we know the common ratio and the first term, we should be able to come up with the 1000th term of this sequence. The nth term of any sequence, if you want to denote with a capital T, the nth term, so that is T sub n, or if you want to call it as A sub n, they both are fine. So it just depends on whatever notation that you are used to. I am used to the T sub n, but I can manage with both of them. So the nth term of a geometric sequence is actually the first term, which is A sub 1, and then common ratio to the power n minus 1. So for 1000th term, can we write it like this? We can say, well, then A sub 1000, or you can also write it as T sub 1000, that is our 1000th term, would be equal to the first term, which is A. In this case, the first term is A, and then times the common ratio. What is the common ratio? Well, the common ratio is actually B, so we can say B, and then to the power n minus 1. N minus 1 means 1000 minus 1. So that would be A times B to the power 999, and that is our answer. If you look at our answer options, A times B to the power 999 is provided under option B. So option B is the correct answer. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.